Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern, the price line is now stuck inside in another descending triangle. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7-day time frame chart, then this is the descending triangle. And you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of November 2023, it is moving inside this triangle since after the month of October, by the way. So it's more than a year the price line is not able to break out or break down this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we broke it out here in the month of January 2023, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.004. That was previously working at the resistance here when it was moving inside this wedge. And again, worked at the resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been breaking at the resistance here as well. And now the price, and after the breakout from this triangle, can again hit this resistance of $0.004. And in today's video, we will also analyze this previous breakout from this wedge as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for IOTA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 3rd of October 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this of the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. You can see that how nicely the price line moved up and read the sell target zone here. Now, let me take you to the live chart of SLP. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, the price line is moving inside this descending triangle. We had stable touch points here, then we had a bounce, very nice bounce, and got rejected by the resistance of this triangle, and also got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking as a support zone here in the month of January 2022, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance, and this will be the key resistance that the price will need to break out in order to start a massive move from here, because we have already broken out this wedge, and after the breakout when it was turning parabolic bullish, the price then could not continue its move to the upside due to this resistance. Now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle is, by the way, after the breakout can be here right now. You can see that the price line is trying to break out the resistance of this triangle, and in case of breakout, it is showing us the projection beyond this resistance line, approximately at 1.24 cents. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That feels approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.